इस वक्त मैं TRX मॉल की छत पे हूँ एंड आई हैव गॉट दी आईफोन विद मी. तो लेट्स अनबॉक्स दिस इज़ द silver version of the iPhone Pro and I believe this one looks the best, quite futuristic. और ये एलुमिनियम का ओरिजिनल कलर है, तो जैसे टाइटेनियम के अंदर एक ओरिजिनल कलर आता था, तो आई रियली लाइक जो मेटल का अपना ओरिजिनल कलर होता है, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल टू मी. अब इसकी अनबॉक्सिंग करते हैं. लेट्स डू अ लिटिल ASMR अगर दिस माइक कैन डू इट. Now the second seal. Alright, so now we just open it up and here it is, the iPhone 17 that comes with just a USB-C to C cable and looks really nice. और दूसरा जो मेरे पास इसके साथ है, that is the इसका clear case. Again clear case because I really like the color और मैंने यहाँ पे चेक किया है तो the clear one looks the most futuristic. इसकी सील्स का भी देखते हैं ASMR होता है या नहीं. इसमें एक ही है, चलिए that's nice. Then you open it up from here, take it out and I'm going to be really careful कि इससे पहले कि मैं फ़ोन को ऑन भी करूँ, I want the case on it because इसके एलुमिनियम के ऊपर काफ़ी लोगों ने कहा है कि this is quite easy to break, तो मैंने इसीलिए केस इस दफ़ा साथ ही ले लिया है. and yeah, so this is what it looks like after the case. और ये मॉल की छत पे एक जंगल वाला एरिया है, तो it's really peaceful और quiet किस्म का एरिया. that's why I'm sitting like this, एक zen pose भी, तो like it's a very different unboxing from what I see on the internet. Alright, so now let's peel this off and again let's see if we can do some ASMR kind of thingy or not. So this was this and now we have the final look. Turning it on, let's hope it has some charge in it. The epic Apple logo is here. It will take some time to turn on. तब तक what else can I do? खैर डब्बे में अब सिर्फ ये आता है the cable. It supports faster charging, तो I will have to see कि कौन सा चार्जर इसके लिए लेना पड़ता है to make it charge fast. I'm not sure. It's already on. So this is the hello and everything जो एक screen होती है. This is that. Turn it on. English, region and country. Okay, मुझे लगता है मैंने गलती से मलेशिया को select कर दिया, which I did not want to do. I'll have to go back. I'll have to choose US. हाँ, तो जब भी मैं फ़ोन को सेटअप करता हूँ I always choose the US because उसके अंदर भी कीबोर्ड, स्पेलिंग्स एंड उसके अंदर जो आपका ऐप स्टोर है, लाइक ऑल ऑफ इट इज़ मोर ओपन एंड अवेलेबल compared to the normal one. Quickly set up iPhone, I think set up without another device. Now इसको मुझे देना पड़ेगा अपना hotspot to connect my iCloud to it. But I think this is pretty much as the unboxing could go. और साथ में अज़ानें भी हो रही हैं, तो I'll just continue from somewhere else after this unboxing experience. Just a comparison. This is what the old one, the plain one looked like, and this is what the new one looks like. And थोड़ा सा thumbnail शायद ऐसे. I think this is going to be more. Alright, so this is pretty much it. I will continue the unboxing or the first impressions somewhere else perhaps, or maybe I'll just move on to this iPhone to record the rest of it. तो अब iPhone को unbox कर लिया है and I am testing the front camera और उसको landscape layout में. So that's one of the biggest reasons of updating my phone to the 17, और फ्रंट कैमरा भी इसका people are saying is as good as काफ़ी सारे phones का back camera. So I am testing that right now. So testing the back cameras of this phone. This is the ultra wide. This is the normal one. This is the 2x, which is like the primary lens but kind of like digitally cropped. This is our dedicated 4x, and now we can really start seeing the Murteka 118 tower. और फिर इसका जो आगे दोबारा से zoom lens का crop है, that goes to 8x. So right now we are at 8x and we started all the way from here. So this is what the zoom looks like, and similarly if I focus on that screen here, तो पहले पढ़ा नहीं जा रहा था, but now I can actually read कि इस पे लिखा क्या हुआ. So from here to here. So this is like really amazing, and ये इधर जो Berjaya Times Square लिखा हुआ है, if I zoom in on that, so that's again quite amazing to have that in a phone of this size.